How to lose weight naturally fast and keep it off forever. Are you tired of trying every diet and workout plan, only to feel discouraged when the results don't last? The constant cycle of weight loss and gain can be exhausting, leaving you frustrated and hopeless. But what if I told you that there is a way to lose weight naturally, fast, and most importantly, keep it off for good? In this video, I'll show you how to do just that, and trust me, it's easier than you think. We live in a world where we are constantly bombarded with images of the perfect body, fad diets, and extreme fitness routines. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and question if lasting weight loss is even possible without depriving yourself or spending hours in the gym. I get it. I've been there too, struggling to find a sustainable solution that wouldn't take away from the joy of living. The truth is, weight loss doesn't have to be a miserable journey. You don't have to starve yourself or follow a rigid diet plan that makes you dread every meal. You can lose weight naturally, in a way that honors your body and your mental well-being, and I'm here to show you how. A natural approach to weight loss. It's not about deprivation. The secret to losing weight naturally isn't about cutting out all the foods you love. It's about balance, and most importantly, finding what works for your body. Everyone's body is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. What works for someone else may not work for you, and that's okay. In this video, I'll share with you tips and strategies that are backed by science, but more importantly, they're flexible. You can adapt them to your lifestyle, and that's the key to long-term success. You'll learn about the power of natural whole foods, foods that not only help you shed pounds but nourish your body from the inside out. We'll talk about how making small, consistent changes in your diet can lead to lasting results. I'll guide you through practical tips on how to choose foods that boost your metabolism, keep you feeling full longer, and help you burn fat more efficiently. But losing weight isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how you feel. Our emotional connection to food plays a huge role in our ability to lose weight. If you're someone who turns to food for comfort or stress relief, you're not alone. This is a common struggle, and breaking this cycle can feel impossible. But in this video, we'll also explore how to build a healthier relationship with food, one that doesn't leave you feeling guilty or ashamed. Fast results that last. We all want to see results fast, and there's nothing wrong with that. However, the goal here isn't just to lose weight quickly, it's to lose it in a way that allows you to keep it off without constantly feeling like you're sacrificing your happiness. Many crash diets promise fast results, but they often lead to burnout, causing you to regain the weight and feel even worse than before. That's not what we're about here. In this video, I'll teach you how to speed up the process of natural weight loss without putting your body under stress or risking your health. You'll learn how simple changes to your daily habits, like incorporating more movement into your day or tweaking your sleep schedule, can dramatically accelerate your results. By following these steps, you'll not only see the weight start to melt away, but you'll feel more energized, focused, and motivated to keep going. These aren't temporary fixes, they're lifelong habits that will support your overall health and well-being. Mindset matters. The key to sustainable weight loss. One of the biggest obstacles to long-term weight loss success is mindset. We often sabotage ourselves with negative thoughts and unrealistic expectations. Maybe you've tried and failed before, and you're starting to believe that lasting weight loss just isn't for you. But I want you to know something. You are capable of achieving your goals. You just need the right tools and the right mindset to get there. In this video, we'll dive into how shifting your mindset can make all the difference. It's not just about pushing through and being strong, it's about learning to be kind to yourself along the way. Weight loss is a journey, and like any journey, there will be ups and downs. That's okay. What matters is that you keep going. I'll share with you some of the mental tricks that have helped me and so many others stay motivated and on track, even when things get tough. When you start to believe in yourself and trust the process, amazing things happen. You'll begin to see the changes not just in your body, but in your confidence, your energy, and your overall outlook on life. It's about more than just losing weight, it's about transforming your life in a way that feels good to you. Support along the way. I know how hard it can be to go through this process alone, and that's why I'm here to support you every step of the way. Whether you're just getting started or you've been trying for years, this video is designed to give you the guidance and encouragement you need to succeed. I'll be sharing actionable tips that you can start implementing right away, so you can begin seeing progress immediately. I believe in you, and I know you can achieve your goals. It's time to stop letting doubt and frustration hold you back. You deserve to feel confident in your body and empowered in your life. The strategies in this video will help you get there, naturally, and in a way that lasts. Take the first step today. Are you ready to make a change that will not only help you lose weight, but completely transform how you feel about your health and yourself? I'm so excited to go on this journey with you. Hit that play button and let's get started on the path to a healthier, happier you, one small step at a time. You're closer than you think to achieving your goals, and I'm here to show you how. Grab your free weight loss guide. To make your journey even easier, I've prepared a free complete report packed with tips, tricks, and strategies for natural, long-lasting weight loss. It's a guide I wish I had when I started, and now it's available to you. Just click the link in the description below to download your copy. Inside, you'll find more actionable steps and insights to help you reach your goals faster while enjoying the process. Don't wait. This free resource could be the game changer you've been looking for. Start today, and let's make your weight loss journey a success together.